Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 406A. It is 5 boxes of 2016 Absolute Premium Retail Football Edition. After doing a dice roll, these are the 5 boxes we're doing. I also rolled the 9. Somebody in the break is going to get the Bengals for free, which I'll do in a minute. A few simple rules with this break being an eBay break. Basically, what you bid on was a business card. This is the business card you will get. If you paid on time, you will get the teams on the left side of the screen, the cards for your teams that come out of these boxes. Few simple rules. If I lose my internet connection or my internet goes down, I will stop everything I'm doing, leave it as is. As soon as I get my internet up and running, I will continue the recording. All my recordings are posted on YouTube. You go to giveawaybreaks.com. Bottom of the page is a YouTube link where all the videos are. They're uploaded at the end of the night, so you know. If a multiplayer card comes out and somebody owns a majority of the teams, they will get the card. If there's no majority owner, to go to random. If a card comes out, I'm going to use this, and it's a ham sandwich, then that means I'm hungry. But if a card comes out and say it's in a Texans uniform, but on the bottom it says Eagles, and on the back it says Philadelphia Eagles, it would go to the Eagles. Not the uniform, but the team name on the bottom and the back. Seriously, good luck to all of you. I hope you hit something cool. Mickey is in the house. This is Mickey. Give me 1 second, and we will do the random. I have to switch screens and do this. I have it in there. And thank you, Blue. We're good. Here we go. Seriously. Good luck. Somebody's about to get the Bengals for free. There's the top of the list. There's the bottom of the list. Bring on chorizo. Okay. Hold on, Dan. I got 2 screens so I can see what you're saying. Here we go. Good luck. 9 times. Person on top gets the Bengals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th and final time. Good luck. Person on top. That's 9. And the person on top is Phil S. Blue, you just got the Cincinnati Bengals. Congrats. See, there was a reason you were waiting. You want another team. There you go. Boom. Done. Congrats. Seriously. Good luck. No, thank you. And there's Chorizo. He's back. He didn't go anywhere. He's just over here. Oh. And Mickey didn't go anywhere either. All right, here we go. Now, I do not know what they're numbered out of. There's the 4 packs. Empty box. But if you see a blue parallel or red parallel, those are short prints. So you know. They are not numbered, but they are short prints. All right, good luck. All right, while this is going on, if you guys want to do a live auction after this, let me get it. This way you know what you're typing. If you want to do baseball, live auction of some sort of baseball product, put a 1, football a 2, hockey a 3. Like I said, I'm out of basketball. Good luck. Here we go. We have the app card. I swear, these are pretty cool cards. Michael Bennett, Unsung Heroes. And like I said, you got to get the right angle. 1 or 2. Okay. Playing card. Bradford, Watkins, Luck, Diggs, sorry, Flacco, Landry, Ivory, Jones, Dalton. I'm just making sure there was no color. No color. Blank card. Is this the auto? They do this to me and it gets... Nope. But I see what that is. Goes like this. All right, good luck. Here we go. For the Giants. Shepard rookie. Congrats to whoever got the Giants. And if you see this, this is a blue parallel. See how the absolute is in gold? This is in blue. This is Tim Brown for the Raiders. I want to say I think the blue is 50 and the red is 25. That's just a guess. Odell, Breeze, Miller, Nelson, RG3, Langford, Khalil Mack, and Cousins. All right, this has got to be the auto here because this is the patch. So we will do the patch card first. Good luck. Kids Reporter card. The hits up top. We have Brock, Charles, Reed, McCoy, Cutler, Cooper, Fitzgerald, and Ajayi. We have Extreme Team for the Packers, Clay Matthews. And like I said, the light doesn't do enough justice, but these are pretty cool looking cards. And this is the hit would be this way, I believe. Oh, here we go. I won't say nothing. I'll just be quiet. Elliott, jersey patch for the Cowboys. No wonder they didn't sell. Bastard. It's killing me today. Alright, I guess that'll go in the personal collection or the personal Hall of Shame. Alright, good luck. Here we go. There's the auto. Okay. Wow. Wow. What a night to be here. This is crazy. Even I'm speechless. I'm telling you, I'm getting a stiff drink in between these auctions tonight. We need to do hockey at some point. I want to say their names. Hyde, Miller, Manning, Evans, Rawls, Macklin, Olson, and Brown. This is crazy. The hell? Let's just do this. Here we go. 15% off your car insurance. Garbage. Okay. Brandon Marshall. But it's upside down. Here we go. I Oh my god. All right. I'm going to try to be serious for a moment. I don't know what to be serious about when it's a giveaway. It's a giveaway, Phil. 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 You have William Jackson III rookie autograph from the giveaway. Grats. There is no number on that, but that is cool. Wow. What an interesting box. I'm just not like they were huge hits, but I'm just saying, just because the fact of you got Elliott that didn't sell, and then the giveaway team were the ones that came out of these boxes. The hell. I can tell you right now, Phil's going to be the last one paying every time, guys. He knows what he's doing. That's his dartboard, Dan. Empty box. All right, good luck. I do not expect to see another Cowboy. Surprised we even found one. Bastards. I bet we see an Eagle. That's just a guess. I'm going to say we see an Eagle. I'm not playing favorites. I'm just saying. I just really do think we're going to see an Eagle. Hopefully it's got ink. Good luck. Blank card. Is this the auto? This would be cool. Either way, it's going to be a cool card. Derrick Henry for the Titans. Rookie roundup. And like I said, the light, there you go. These are pretty cool. His beginner's luck. He always hits. All right. Oh, here we go. Blue parallel. Darrell Green. 1983 to 202 for the Redskins. Fire Stick, that's you. I don't think I've heard of that dude. Green? It's probably because he was a cornerback. All right. Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Forsett, Cooks, JJ. That was JJ Watt. Stafford, Melvin Gordon, and Austin. Here we go. Good luck. 15% off your car insurance. Anybody wants any of these, let me know for real. I don't know if anybody uses them. You do? They're yours. Janikowski? Yeah. Janikowski for the Raiders. Usually you see the damn quarterback. It's pretty cool. Like I said, the light. All right. Smith. Fitzpatrick, Odell, Drew Brees, Miller, Lewis, Mariota, RG3, and Langford. All right, here comes your 2 hits. Good luck, especially if you haven't hit, which, good luck. Yeah, see? Good luck. All you need is Andrew. Your kicker. You pull out a kicker. Can we get a quarterback, please? Stephon Diggs, Flacco, Hyde, Miller, Dalton, Rawls, Macklin, quarterback, running back, or wide receiver. Be good to us. Download the app card. Clay Matthews. Didn't we see this? I sure hope this isn't a repeat. Okay, it's not. Thank goodness. I want you guys to get the hits. This might be the same as before, but the hit's different. So good luck. Here we go. Somebody got this team too. Good. Jersey patch. Rookie force. Bowringer for the Vikings. That's pretty sick. Congrats to the Vikings owner. And the Vikings owner is Roger T. Congrats, Roger. If you're in the room, congrats. If you're not, congrats to wherever you are. But there's your Vikings. All right, here we go. That would be the auto. Upside down. Jordy Nelson. Upside down. Sam Bradford. Watkins. Khalil Mack. Cousins. Landry. Ivory. And Jones. Isn't that a song? Ivory and Jones? Landry? No. All right, good luck. Kids Reporter. We got Brandon Marshall, Red Zone. These are cool too. For the Jets. And the auto would go this way. And I seen the team. Here we go. Good luck. It is for Firestick and the Redskins. Kendall Fuller, rookie. That is pretty cool. Congrats, Fire. You got a hit. I'm saying now I'm calling the quarterback in this box. Paxton Lynch or Carson Wentz. That's my guess. Let's see if I have any clue what the hell I'm talking about. Empty box. Come on. Be in here. Stafford. All right, I'll try. I don't think so, but I'll try. Sorry, Fire Stick. I'm trying. But I really have a feeling it's going to be one of the bigger ones. Elliott is nice, but it's the patch. We want the auto. That's the patch. That should be the auto. Here we go. Good luck. 15% off. All right, Kenneth Dixon for the Ravens. That's pretty cool. Like I said, you got to get the angle and the light. There you go. That goes to the dartboard man. Dan the man. Ooh, I almost missed it. I would have caught it when I was sorting, though. For the Bills, this is Phil. That is a blue parallel. Deion Lewis. Like I said, I think those are out of 50. Eli, Evans, Brock, Charles, Olson, Brown, Cutler, Cooper. Good luck. This puts us halfway after this pack. Another kicker? Really? We got two of the best kickers. Adam Vinatieri for the Colts. Unsung heroes. Reed, McCoy, Robinson, Peterson, Green, Fitzgerald, Ajay, Bortles, Freeman. Blank card. Oh, this is the auto. I should have knew that. Please, Patriots, Pats, the Pats. What's the Pats? The auto? The hit? The hell did I miss? You guys are calling your shots? All right. Jeffrey, Smith, Jones, Taylor, Bell. This guy for the Lions. Ezekiel, whatever. Carr and Johnson. Let me just verify that I didn't screw something up. That's Colts. Lewis card. Oh, my bad. Thank you. Okay, sorry. Yes, I know what you're talking about. The blue parallel. What team did I freaking call it? I said Bills? Okay, now I know I need a drink. All right, good luck. Here comes the hit. Really? Really? 15% off your car insurance. I guess if you're a Packer fan and you got the Packers, this is the spot to have your card because you're getting all the shiny ones. It's pretty cool. Aaron Rodgers and the hit. Good luck. Well, I did say this team would hit. Unfortunately, it's a different dude. It is Wendell Smallwood, rookie jersey patch, rookie force for the Eagles. Congrats to David P. Unfortunately, I'm sorry it's not Carson Wentz, but Smallwood could be good too. Yes, I am a Cowboys fan, and I'm still saying he could be good. Congrats to you. Good luck. Upside down. Here we go. Kaepernick. Anybody know where he's playing yet, or is he? Thomas, Ertz, Martin, Barnage, Dan, Russell Wilson, Tony Romo, same team. Sorry. Witten and Stewart. I hadn't seen Wilson in a while. Allen Robinson, red zone for the Jags. Like I said, let me try to get the light right. There you go. Canada. I don't know if that's a true story or not, but I'm buying it. All right, good luck. Yes, I do know it. Ooh. Ooh. This is not bad. Really? Seriously? Here we go. Good luck. Fire stick. How about Austin Hooper rookie? Auto. for the Falcons. That's pretty good. I would have to say, to this point, that's got to be probably the best card so far, depending on where you put Elliott. I mean, I know where I put Elliott, but I put Elliott down here, but I'm a Cowboys fan too, and I still put him down here. He probably needs to go to Canada too. But now I guess I really don't know the truth about Dak. Empty box. Good luck, especially if you haven't got a hit. Elliott, yeah, he's in the back. He's hiding. He's suspended right now. He don't even belong in the break. And originally, I think they were talking 2 games, and now it's 6. See what happens, Jerry? You open your damn mouth, and all hell breaks loose. Should have just kept quiet. Let the dude take the punishment. That could be pretty good, too. All right, here we go. Good luck if you have not gotten a hit. Good luck even if you've gotten a hit. 15% off. Unsung Heroes for the Chargers, Danny Woodhead. Four games? Yeah, probably. Whatever. I'm just going to love the fact that I get to see Dak try and do it on his own. I'm a Cowboys fan, and I don't believe in him right now. Rodgers, Forsett, Smith, Fitzpatrick, Odell, Stafford, Gordon, Austin, and there's Lewis for the Pats. See, I do pay attention to you guys. Not all the time, but 99%. Alfred Morris will flourish. We should make Jerry Jones be the running back, bastard. Oh, we've done it. Wow, this is the first one I've seen. I will put it in the back. It's in the back. It'll be the last card. Shown out of this pack. Rivers, Winston, Gore, Gurley, Marshall, the new running back for the Cowboys, Romo, Brandon Cooks, J.J. Watt, rookie roundup, Alex Collins, and good luck. Well, I'm showing you the team, so there you go. I was trying not to show the team, but that is a red parallel. That's the first one I've seen. This is actually 99 of 100. So red is out of 100. That would be Dan with his Ravens. Grad Stan. Like I said, I wasn't quite sure numbers and colors, but I do know. Obviously, I do know now. Red is harder to get. So the other ones must be out of 299. That's the patch card. Good luck. Bradford, Watkins, Luck, Diggs, Flacco, Landry, Ivory, and Jones. Gridiron, Amari Cooper for the Raiders. It's pretty cool. Like I said, if I could get the light right. And the hit. Huh. There goes the app card. All right. Why? Because it's dartboard time. Dan the Man with the Ravens. As I said, he always does well with the Ravens. Kenneth Dixon, rookie force, jersey patch. Congrats, Dan. Not only did you get Flacco, red parallel, you got Dixon. Now, what would be real cool if this was a big auto? Oh, that's right. I do know what team it is now because I saw it earlier. Breeze, Miller, Nelson, Mariota, RG3, Langford, Mack, and Cousins. Good luck. Here comes the auto. Kids Reporter. We have Eli. Red zone for the Giants. And Vernon Butler, rookie auto for the Panthers. That would be David P. Congrats, David. All right, last box. Good luck. That's cool. All right. Where the hell's the quarterback autograph? I'm going to say, I picked an Eagles card earlier. I'm going to say Jared Goff or Paxton Lynch. I'm going for the gusto. It's my guess. Lions. Matthew Stafford. I'm all in on Matthew Stafford being our auto. All right. I'll make you a deal. Now, this is called guts because I have no clue if it exists. If the auto in this box is Matthew Stafford, you all hear it. This is called absolutely Jeff is crazy. If Matthew Stafford is the auto, if you are in the room, and if you're in the break, and it is a Matthew Stafford auto, you will all be in a random for this jersey box. Sorry, Fire Stick, but I'm betting against you. But I gotta admit, that'd be freaking cool if you were right. Like super. Unfortunately, he had the wrong team. And I wouldn't put it past anything at this point. So, here we go. Good luck. Y'all want Stafford now. Now it's like, freaking bring it on, right? I'm with you. I would be happy as I seriously, no problem. If it's Stafford and he's got it, the jersey will go to somebody in the room or somebody in the break. I'll take all your names and random. Elliott. Why? Just because they felt like putting one in. And there's a blue parallel, Todd Gurley for the Rams. Fire Stick, it's all on your shoulders. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people in the room. So that deal was made with you 9 and the 32 in the break. 31 because I wouldn't be in it. Sorry, let me continue. Jones, Taylor, Yeldon, Bridgewater, Green Beckham, Matt Ryan, Johnson, and upside down Tom Brady. Could that mean something for Fire Stick? And a group for Stafford. App. All right, Unsung Heroes. Cole Beasley, the Cowboy. Nobody cares. Nobody has the Cowboys, so they don't care. All right, Hill, Sherman, Anderson, Matthews, Hilton, Dez, Cam, Big Ben, Abdullah. That's the auto. I have no clue. That's the hit. Cruz, Ingram, Hopkins, Matthews, upside down, Luke Kuechly, Gurley, Marshall, and a running back, Tony Romo, for the Seahawks. Good luck. Kids Reporter. Here comes the hit. This is pretty cool. Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. That card is pretty sick. I believe. I believe too. Firestick, can you do this? Man, I'm close. I hope you're right, Firestick. I'm close. I hope you're as close as I am, but you hit it exact. I'm a little off on my dartboard, but I'm close. It is for the Rams. It is a jersey patch rookie force, but it is Cooper. Congrats to the Rams. It is not golf. It is Cooper. I'm going to tell you right now, I'll freak out if I see the team. Okay. Now, you see what I see. All right, I'm showing you the cards, but hang on. That is blue. That is a blue border. There is a chance that Firestick may have failed this. Highly unlikely, but there is a chance. Lacey, Smith, Keenum, Forte, Benjamin, Travis Benjamin, Palmer, the Gronk, and Murray. Seriously, good luck, everybody. Yeah, because see, this is red. All right, 15% off. The Gronk, and I don't even want to look. I'm gambling, yep, and saying it goes this way. I probably have it upside down. I don't know. We're doing it together. Good luck. It's upside down, right? Because the circle's there. Got a shot. Jalen Smith. Are you freaking kidding me for the Cowboys? Are you serious? What the frick? Is he any good? I don't even friggin' know. I was seriously getting excited. Crap, bastard. That's pretty stupid. But yes, it is funny. Jesus. Forget it. It's my card anyways, but that's just stupid. I was all pumped. Exactly. Who was he? Oh my goodness. Alright, sorry guys. Let me pull myself together. That concludes break number 406A. Thank you guys for the fill. I don't even want it. You guys want to play a guessing game and guess who gets it? I don't give a crap. Hold on, let me stop this.